Thank you so much for stopping by. I am like super tickled pink that you guys did. So let's get to it a little bit and tell you a little bit about what it is that we do in here and who I am and how we can help. All right, first off, my name is Rustin Van Auken. I am an amazing person, just ask me. But I spent decades in the technology industry and in supporting technology as well. I've also ran a marketing agency, and that actually was able to kind of put all the things together for me in what it is that I love doing, which is technology in the online space and helping others. I've been really big into personal development and spiritual development over a little while now, and I'm growing and expanding, and I would just love to help you guys grow and expand as well. So a little bit about you guys is probably you guys are probably business owners that are tired of being an employee. I can almost guarantee that you are, because that's exactly what I used to do too. In my businesses, I would actually be the employee. I'd be the one that was doing everything. I'd be writing, every single SOP. I would be, doing all the social media. I'd be video editing. I would be, using AI. I'd be, doing my best to create automations and stuff like that, and make my business to where it was like this big giant thing. But what I found was that you can't really be in the business to grow the business, right? To scale it. I couldn't take a step away. I couldn't go on a vacation. I couldn't, do anything like that because the business would suffer if that were the case. And you guys are probably sitting in the same type of feeling right now. So with that, you probably want more time, right? And you probably won't want more time doing what it is that you love to do, which is, being in your business and doing your zone of genius, right? And you probably would love to have things like simple. I love simple stuff. I think simple stuff works. I think everything works, but for me, simple stuff really works. So that's kind of how my mind is. I take these complex things and I make them very, very simple. And that's, kind of what I do for other people as well. So with that, what I'm going to help you do inside this group is help you create that infrastructure so that you can really shine out there, and that you could actually scale and walk away from it for a little while and not have to worry about it suffering. Okay. The other thing that I'm going to help you do is I'm going to give you a bunch of support. With whatever it is, whether it's technical support on your platform or it's video support on editing, it's social media support on how to actually access specific things inside social media, things like that, right? Pretty much everything under the sun, I could help you do, automation, stuff like that. But we're gonna help you create a holistic system that brings people in and gets them onboarded, and then is able to give you that time back so that you're not constantly feeling like you have to do every little thing. Okay. And then on top of that, I added this bonus in here because I think it's really, really important to have, is an all-in-one platform that you can actually do all this stuff with, right? A lot of you guys have heard of Go High Level. It is exactly that. And it will help you to create those systems and the infrastructure that we're talking about. And it's one of the best tools out there. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for quite some time now. And I'm really, 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 really well adept at it. So I think it's well worth the $27 a month to pay for that. And I know that you guys probably think that too. So do me a favor, go ahead and join the group now, because I can only give this away for a certain amount of time. So make sure you guys get in there now. And yeah, we will see you guys on the inside.